Vicky here with you, and I'm here for an unboxing from One Day Savings. You know how much I love doing diamond painting. I've done it so many times on the channel. I just find it very relaxing. It's so much fun, and it's so much fun to give to others some items as well. I gifted one of my kits to my little niece, bookmark. She just loved it, and I brought along during the holidays the snowman snowflake kit, and we made that during the holidays, and it was just so much fun. It just, yeah, just really great. So I have a few items here in this. One of these was to organize. Because I do a lot, I just find that it's very useful to have a way to have quite a few at the same time going. And I've used all the little trays, but when I saw that they had this here, I just thought that was very clever. So you could have all your different colors, and then you have these little things that go and stop them from falling out while you're using it, making it very good so that you're not making a mess, because I usually make a mess. And then it also has these, which I suppose is to put on top of the pens, because the pens are sometimes not as comfortable. I have a few here. So see, you can put your pen inside this so that you can hold it, and it's more comfortable to hold. So very clever. So I have these. I'm going to put the other one on another pen so that I don't lose it. And then they also have these little things to pick it up, and then a bunch of different new glues, and this is to push, I guess, the little diamonds so they fall out. And same thing, I guess, with this one. I just thought and to align your little diamonds. Just thought this was a perfect tool to use, and I love my bigger tray, so figured I would try this out. So that's one of the items that I got. And then I got this here, which is let's just open it up. So it's a cute little girl and you put it on here, and you can hang it, as you can see. So how precious is this? Super sweet. So there's that. And I just love that it has a little frame that comes with it so that you can actually hang it. And then I got this here. Let's check it out. And that I thought was perfect for Valentine's Day. So it's all gnomes, and it has a little chain that you can hang it from. See, the little chain is here, and it's a little decoration that you can hang, and it says love. So how precious is this? So these are the new items that I got from them. I just love doing collaborations with them so much, and I can't wait to share the making of these with you guys. So love you guys, and stay safe. See you soon. Bye. And don't forget to go and check out in the description box below the link to the products, as well as the discount code. So if you're interested in anything, go and check it out. Love you guys. Bye.